Mojbari, welcome to ViidCloud. Google Chrome and Safari stops video autoplays. Number one problem. And number two problem, if your videos are hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, etc., they leave their logos and their video suggestions that takes your visitors from your page to those hosts or hosting services. Besides, your videos don't build lists for you, or you can't add call to action on your videos. But if you want to do that, you have to use Vimeo or Wistia, which are very, very expensive. ViidCloud completely solves all these problems. So let me show you one by one. Add a campaign and click next step. Then you upload your videos. You can upload your videos in 3 different places: our S3 server, or your own S3 server, or Dropbox. So you can stream your videos from all these 3 options. So now I'm going to upload a video from my hard drive. Once it's done, go to next step. And here you can select GIF thumbnail or image thumbnail from GIF or from Jiffy or Tenor or Unsplash or Pixabay. I will not do that. I will go to next step and I will choose the first 3 seconds of the video and create a GIF from the video. Now you see the GIF is created from the video. I can select whichever portion 3 seconds I can choose from. Now this animation can be changed from these icons, and also the text option can be changed. From here you can choose a different type of overlay. So button overlay, opt-in overlay, and auto redirect. And you can choose when these overlays will show up, when it's paused, when it's ended, or timed. And you can also choose opt-in forms as overlay. You can simply connect your autoresponder, select the email list, and the autoresponder form will show up here. For this campaign, I have selected a button overlay, and the button will show only when the video is paused, and this is the link, and they change the button color and all, and then autoresponder is just selected and click next step. This part is for SEO and for the header and footer script if you want to add pixels and all, and then click next step. And then here you choose a template. Actually, this is the first thing we should have done. We can choose from a lots of templates here. Okay, we have total 20 templates. So let's choose any one of them. Let's say this one, or maybe this one, or maybe this one. I'm totally confused which one. Let's choose this one, the first one, best, and customize this template and name it. First, name it. Okay, the name of template would be. You can choose your own images, or you can choose from Pixabay, Jiffy, Tenor you want. You can add text you want. You can edit anything you want. And then finally, the template will be ready, and here is where your video will be. So I'm just going to finish this up. Now I put all the information and I just named it as Hey Use Superman as my template. So I'm going to save this template. And now on the campaign, from choose templates, I can choose the templates and hit save. The campaign is here now in the campaign section. I can click the link. If I click the link, the page will open with the video with all the bells and whistles. Now the video is running, and if you pause the video, you see this button overlay. Okay, you can click here and you see where it takes you. Now if I change the campaign to opt-in overlay and save it, save, and refresh the campaign page. So once again, let's run the video. And when I pause, the opt-in form shows up. Super awesome, right? So all the problems are solved. Thank you.